Well, hello there. This is Mike Rogers with dailylivingwithwater.com. I am happy to have you as a customer and wanted to help manage your expectations today by reviewing the standard remote level 1 support by email, also abbreviated as SRSE form. So this is just a visual because there's some challenges with submitting a form as detailed as this all in one fell swoop. So what I'm going to try to do is help you to have this video link available on the site where the thank you page comes up and gives you the other links of what to expect when we onboard you by video and the other links and instructions. So again, welcome. Let's go ahead and jump right in. The form is a link on Google Forms in the thank you page, and you'll be brought to this particular item. It will eventually be attached to your support ticket, which will notify us that you have completed your form. That will allow us a chance to confirm with you that we did in fact receive the form as a human being and not just automated, and that we are reviewing it. And then just allow 1 to 3 business days excluding weekends and all U.S. observed holidays so that we can really mull through the data that you supply us, and then we can then begin to formulate some additional questions that we may have based on what you supplied, or start having you check certain items through an email response. And then you will then be able to respond, and it'll update the trouble ticket or support ticket through your email responses and ours as well. So there'll be some dialogue there. So this first section, just real quickly, is talking a little about my background, and as time goes by and this grows, other people will be trained by myself and become certified troubleshooters of water treatment and equipment. So I just wanted to let you know that this is not just something we threw together on an inkling. There was a lot of thought for the last year and a half in developing this program. And so I'm very proud to put this out there and be a source or a resource for you going forward. So that's what this opening piece is about. It's letting you know that there's an interesting look like I've misspelled this email, but I really haven't. That was all that Google would allow me to create the special email address where it really is about support, but apparently some people have abused the meaning of the word support, so they didn't want to include that. We worked around it. It's going to give you some helpful tips like, floor plans, a sketched layout. Doesn't have to look like a Da Vinci or anything like that, but, just to take a picture or something like that and submit it after you've completed the form as an additional PDF or a JPEG image or a PNG image, which are image files from cameras. I don't care if you take a picture with your phone. In fact, lots of times the smartphones are even better as long as the lens is clean. Then we can make out everything just fine. Call out here, make sure you don't hit the back button, otherwise you wipe out all your answers. That could be very frustrating, so we don't want you to do that. We also suggest, and we mention it several times because it matters, we live and die by our communication by email, particularly with a prepaid support product or service that you just invested in. So we want to take care of you there. We always want you to be prepared, so I always include disclaimers and safety notices at the beginning that I do need you to review. It's imperative that you read that because it just might save your very own. Let's get through. I'm going to basically create a mock questionnaire form so that you can actually see these questions, and you can fast forward through them if you want to replay this down life's road. But I'm going to try to show you how you can pick up and resume. But unfortunately, because these are required questions, you're not going to be able to just click the little X in the top, because if you haven't submitted, you have not saved. If you go backwards, you will lose everything as well. So we talked about that. So don't do it. Just make sure you have a good breakfast, plenty of protein. Don't come in with a fog with this. You really want to be after coffee or two. attack this beast and then it'll be done. But the answers you choose is how everything is determined. I'm going to be your doctor, speaking on behalf of your child, your water treatment situation, and advise you as the parent accordingly what my diagnosis is, as well as what my treatment plan is going to be. And being the former U.S. medic from the U.S. Army, running clinical medicine, performing sick calls and things, this is not unknown to me. I used to actually be called Doc Rogers. It's got a little flair. It's kind of like Doc Holliday. So, got the coffee down. Here we go. So I'm just going to use one of my catch-all email addresses for testing. This is all marketing. That's how we build this machine from a grassroots effect and then make it to where it's like every day. So you can scroll through here, and I'm just going to say face-to-face with Mike Rogers. So in person, basically. And now, a brief message from our sponsor at dailylivingwithwater.com. Hello, I'm Mike Rogers. If you like this video and want some help troubleshooting your water treatment system to get back to the best water flowing inside of your home and business, I've got good news for you. I've developed 2 remote troubleshooting support plans that you're absolutely going to love. Nobody else in the water treatment industry offers this valuable and exclusive service. This is a game changer the water treatment industry has never seen before. These per-session plans are called Standard Remote Support by email and Priority Remote Support call. These per-incident support troubleshooting sessions are offered remotely by email or through a video conference call, which is designed for more urgent situations. Whether you have a reverse osmosis or whole house water filtration, or UV disinfection system, or all of the above and more, I've got you covered. Whether you're on city water, groundwater well, or aquifer well, or a cistern water supply, you now have a friend in the water treatment system industry for education, support, and real-world solutions that won't break the bank. Both support plans are designed with you, the do-it-yourselfer, in mind, to guide you through the steps combined with my input, having over 3 decades of experience in water treatment. Between you and I together, we can help you get your water treatment system back online fast and at a reasonable price. My global award-winning technical support experience of over 2 decades takes the complex and breaks it down patiently into a proven and simple step-by-step process. After you have solved the issue with my direction and your input and your hands, you'll be able to be the hero who protected everyone's water source under your roof. But I can't help you if you don't hire me. Just click the support link and order your remote support troubleshooting session with me right now. You'll be glad you did. In fact, the email support plan starts at just $99. Our 100% secure automated online ordering system is standing by 24/7, 365. Also, if you're thinking about designing a water treatment system for the first time or thinking about upgrading your current water treatment system project for home or office, or you just need an independent second opinion on your water test diagnosis, because there is no one-size-fits-all water treatment solution, I offer both independent water treatment design consultations and treatment plans that are customized to fit your specific home or business needs. Click on our Learn More link to see my digital learning products, training, services, and support specifically designed for the first time ever to empower the do-it-yourselfer. I've written books on the subject of water that are only available at dailylivingwithwater.com, with more publications coming soon. All offerings by dailylivingwithwater.com are exclusively designed for do-it-yourselfers, homeowners, renters, and business owners seeking affordable solutions to safe and effective water treatment for everyday use. It's a scary world out there with water issues in the headlines, which seems like nearly every week. Get peace of mind right now. Click those links to protect your home and your business water supply today. My name is Michael W. Rogers with dailylivingwithwater.com, and I approve this message.